Hey, Craig Burris with SalesRockit. I want to show you how you manage and have transparency over the sales tasks of your team. So if you're the sales leader or you're the sales enablement coordinator, someone who's managing the system, you want to be able to make sure that all of the automations are being kept up with. If you set up a rhythm for a junior rep, or if you assign a task to, say, the partner of a law firm, if you work in a law firm, you want to make sure that these tasks are getting done and being done on time. That's the only way you're going to be able to tell if the automations are being effective, getting the stats that you want out of them. So let me show you real quick how it works. We're going to go into our sales tasks, and you can see I have 88 and I'm on time. Everything is green. Let's go look at some other people and make sure that they're up to speed as well. Now this is for show. She's not actually behind, but we wanted to be able to show you what it would look like if they were. So again, the idea of sales automation is transparency, a process, and go after and get new business.